Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police Channel. You know, at this channel, we're a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because it saves lives. We are all about saving lives over here at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, so that's why we support preemptive strikes, because preemptive strikes save life. Anyone who can make you believe absurdity can make you commit any criminal act. A wise man can change his mind, but a fool will never, because he's a fool. And remember that you must never try to educate a fool, because the fool will hate you. Only a friend will tell you the truth, and fakers will cheer you on even when you are wrong. Anyone who has the balls or spine to tell a friend the truth, after that, most people, especially Jamaicans, normally get vexed and upset with you and end the relationship. But guess what? They weren't even your friends anyway, because they do not respect others who are honest, truthful, and straightforward with them, and not a faker. Before we begin today's video, we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel want our audience and detractors to know that anything that we have said here at the Jamaica Young Police Channel that is incorrect, you can reach out to us at 954-556-0275, and we will give you the chance to correct the same. To us, the first and foremost thing about us on this channel is our character, credibility, and reputation. We have never slandered or defamed anyone's name on this platform, and whatever you are hearing is the truth. If the truth shall kill those who hate the truth, let it kill them. Remember that we said before, those who do not know the truth are fool, and those who know the truth and call it a lie is a depraved and criminal-minded people. Never say what you want to do until you experience it. Like being a police officer. So don't say that things, until you experience it. So you cannot, have a lot of blow-ons out there telling you how police are supposed to operate. But don't say anything until you have experience being a police officer. A conversation that we had with a caller that called the Jamaica Young Police Channel. We haven't edited anything. We're playing in its full. Nothing, the only thing we might do if there's any sensitive information that would expose a person in any way or anything like that, but there's nothing there. So I want you to listen. We're talking about various topics that to do with politics and who's responsible for the crime situation right now in Jamaica, 2023. And I can tell all my loyal viewers and subscribers, whether or not you want to believe it, the person who put the nail in the coffin, yes, it's Bruce Kartel, the former Prime Minister of Jamaica. Bruce Kartel is the one that put the nail in the coffin. If you look right after the extradition of Christopher to the court, that's when you will see that the crime start to escalate when the Indicom Act start to take root in Jamaica. So I wanted to listen to the conversation with this guy, because look here, at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we hold no balls for anyone, You understand? It's two party. One is eviler than the other. We are not saying one is good, We say one is eviler. One is one is more evil than the other. So that's how it is. So you watch, you listen, and you decide. O'Brien, then you're the vice note to him saying.
The vice note, but she has still have a problem. I don't know how long I'm going to get the party. She has still have a problem and we keep to dangerous, man.
Yeah.
So sometimes I don't know why you up,
No, I don't wind up on anything. They don't know how to, because the thing is that when I take the side on anything, then we just want to know.
No side. What I know? The two-sided problem.
Which two sides?
PMP and the Labour in Jamaica. No, a little better.
Well, between me and them thing, I'm not going to agree with you that and that part. The reason why I'm not agree with you on that part. I name some things. You see me, I'm a security man, he's not a political man. It's when it comes to security of the country and everything, that is my paramount focus on when it comes to security force. One, the secure both political parties, one enemy them have in common, and I can tell it's the police force. So when you hear me say that, then I mean so you know say I'm not take no side with none of them. Both of them hate the police force. You understand?
Yeah.
So it's as simple as that. The first thing what the PNP did to the police force was them take out immigration and privatize it and give it to them picnic and them family friend because they can't create a job. Which country in the world you know is the first line of defense is controlled by civilian and not law enforcement entity?
Listen your opinion about
No, I'm not talking about you listen, I just ask you. Which country you know in the world you know that is civilian control the first line of defense of any country in the world? Which country?
I want to know to try it and I hate it.
Well, well, Jamaica have it. The PNP did that in 1989. KD night, do that. No, I'm not talking about 80, I'm talking about Jamaica. I said 1989. KD night. And they took away the immigration from the police. The next thing with them do, when I tell you say both of them are the same, the PNP took away the issuing of firearms by the police to the civilian. When the police were let me tell you, when the police were issuing firearms to the Jamaican people, have you ever heard of so many or heard of any convicted criminals being issued firearm?
No, it won't be like that.
Okay, alright. Did you know I tell you this? And I don't care about partying. As you call me, right now is that thing I do right now about Dulus and them thing there. About Dulus, the rise and fall and them. I do them thing there. And I can tell you this. Look how many, over 10,000 convicted criminals that they have issued a firearm to the FLA. Alright, so okay. You know you're the PNP, so boy. So give back to the police because when the police have it, none of them people don't have it. And nobody not got jail. Nobody from both sides not got jail. Forget, even Jacure will rape a woman with a gun. And who give Jacure a gun?
So look here.
No, may I ask you, which government was in power when Jacure get gun?
I don't know. I want to take some photo. I don't even know if I got class one. I don't know of that.
You never know of that? I want the PNP now.
Many criminals get life over there. Many.
Alright. Who you think the Rev from the 90s crew? The man that get big.
Rev getting good on Andrew government.
On the Andrew government. Which year you get it?
Rev my friend, man. Rev my friend. You know that. You have to discuss with me. You know like
No man. But Rev on the labor, right? Rev a big PNP.
No, man. Well into the labor, right? You getting good on Andrew. I'm part of Andrew.
You getting good on the labor, right?
You getting good on Andrew. You know how we getting good. Yeah, 12 you get to. 12.
Wow.
You get shot, but I didn't get rain. You know, you lose them no still.
How you lose it?
2 hours a day.
Me know. But no. That may I tell you all them things. So you see the difference with me now. The only thing we can do as citizens of Jamaica, of this Jamaica paradise, you know, we can't stay but we can't live in a fear and anything there. Them for fear we are the law abiding citizens. Criminals are supposed to have no refuge. Them supposed to free it. And we if we make them free then because them are criminal, we are not criminal.
Well boy, you don't live in Jamaica again, you don't live in Jamaica. You
understand? So wait, so now give you context and anything for sure you said both of them are the same. Alright. When the murder rate started to spike in Jamaica?
I want to say
are you not keep?
Let me tell you, murder one long time.
We not talk about that. Me say spike.
But we tell you when the murder rate really rise up, we keep the kid. Since this cabin coming in.
No, me not talk about since this cabin, I talk about before. A context where they regard contextualization. What everything started from.
Because murder one time in the 80s.
Murder going long before then. But
alright, in the 70s.
Yeah, but it did subside in the 80s because the government after the day then they give the police the tools to deal with criminal. And with the government and everything, and then support the government, then create no form of socialism for criminal. For criminal, the government pay a lawyer for high price lawyer for criminal and everything there. Look at all the Klansman case right now. I government have pay $130 million for people that commit crime against the people in Jamaica. So in every way, I see this.
But we want to hatch still. You know, so you said they were the same. So which one is better?
Which one is better?
Which side better? Which one is better?
Well, may I give you labor the edge over the PNP. Reason being, hold on. No, listen. No, man. No, hold on. At PNP community, me born and grow at Jonestown.
You know all that, you know all of that.
All right.
You know all of that.
Me.
It's all you know everything. So you know we are talking everything. You know all of that.
And me can't tell all. I've developed in a labor community, you know. So me can't tell you.
Your birthday the same day.
Yeah, but so what do you think about?
March 27.
No, it's not another March 27 man. Yeah. So the thing is that
I can't tell about it.
Yeah.
But me I say I don't still.
No, so the reason why I tell you say both of them and I see it. The thing the other day with Bobby Montague and when named Peter Bunting with the gun business.
Yeah.
The labourer did something about it for sure. But I face them a show public create an image so boy them, I try to get rid of corruption and everything there. Them sack him, get rid of him. The PNP do nothing to Bobby Montague. Two, the next thing now, I tell you, Colonel Spencer, thief how much millions of dollars from the people. So Mark Golden bring back in that party.
So what Mark Golden do? Mark Golden bring back Spencer in the party.
What do you mean? So you know see
keeping against it right now.
You see the man of the chairman of Region 3, you know see
in can't go back in like they listen, they talk about it, them say no, forget it about it.
They matter well and see my run against Jess and them thing. The people them hey look, me not come from St. Elizabeth, but my father come from down there. Me used to work at Silo. The people them are at Silo. Me left Silo from 1992, You understand? That's 30 something years ago, and people that ask me, say, boy, they want me to talk about Jess. Me not even know Jess.
31 years old.
Yeah, it got 31 years, me left Silo. Yeah, and people say, boy, had them no want Colonel Spencer, because if Colonel Spencer I labor, them are when kind of thief. Well, if you do that, you can't. Let me say I take the people them for fool, no respect for the people. If you want to get rid of corruption, that the man is supposed to know in every party.
They should have put in back Colonel Spencer.
Thank you. Yeah, so, all right, so see, at least may I agree for something. Yes.
Jamaica, it
have to start from the top. It have to start from the top.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Start from the bottom, start from the top.
Yes, from the Prime Minister. You understand?
Clean up it.
Yeah.
All right, no, we don't like jail. Let me tell you something right now. I don't know about legal PNP.
At Jamaica, we are different. We are different party.
We don't know what you are. We don't know what you are guilty.
Yeah.
No. And you're corrupted too. And corrupted body. And create for himself.
Well,
trust me.
Alright, between me and anything, that would be an assumption. Like me, let me tell you what I do. Me use, anytime I say, if I say somebody a thief, we must have facts and everything. I just say, like how me tell you, say Colonel Spencer a thief because we know that guy was a...
You don't say my thief, you say corrupted.
Yes, then corrupted means corruption and everything. So when I say corrupt, in what way? What kind of evidence you have for corroborate that?
Yeah, say corrupted. When I say corrupt, a thief, and then something like corrupt.
Corrupt mean anything you might involve in that.
Thief.
Yeah, corruption is corruption. Yeah, there's something that is unethical.
So between me and you, you don't think you're corrupted?
Every politician corrupted.
Aye, but some do more than some.
Yes, and some is visible than the other. And I can't tell you the same thing. Look here, he's a part of the corruption. Remember me tell you that, The problem we have right now in Jamaica with crime, he help contribute to it, right now, Because
because what you look here, the security, the minister of security that not step down long time, you move that for a long time.
It's about them and them.
You know nothing.
Well, look here.
Listen, more than tell you something right now, you don't believe.
No, I'm not. Why am I not going to believe?
You know, say the Chang Mobile.
Yeah.
You know, say having young,
Me hear that.
Alright, good.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Alright, just like when in a Adam's time.
Yeah.
Adam's down touch Bulby. I see where channel thing down down the video.
So, who a film boy them down there?
They don't call everybody name on the phone like that.
Why?
No, they don't do that, but we know.
Alright, look here. No, but you don't so, hey, look, you don't support, me, you see like me and anything there. I'm born and grow, I get to all them things. And from me know myself, listen, from me know myself, me never afraid of nobody else. There's no man on this earth with me can't stand up and me can't talk to him and anything there.
Let me say that you reached to a stage where one time, you could have go a station and tell a police a thing. No, yeah, no. If you tell the police, they make one come kill you.
Well, that is true. And between me and I know it's starting. I mean, you can't tell me I've experienced with a case where that in the early 2000 of a woman that was killed, a woman and her daughter are pregnant that was killed in Capburn Pen, and it was done by a high-ranking police officer who sold the information to Bully. You understand?
They know that. They know Bully a man before Bully dead. They know Bully dead. They know who killed Bully. They know Bully killed Bully dead.
Who killed
Bully? The same man who make Bully dead. Bully killed him and the father heard it,
Who that? Where man name? Can you say no Bully and anything? Can I talk to you now? I'm not team. You.
Your friend there, Bully Nice right now, man.
Your friend there.
Bully Nice Oliver Atlantic, man. But in their prison now still.
You're
They are prison up here. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And even though they were just we're born in Ghana, go play well. We know Bully. I want to then kill Bully, man. Yeah, I say thing. When did I go? Five powers.
But what kind of power is around here? So you know most of the.
No, we never meet most of it. But me hear about it.
So you know the most of the man kill Bitty. And you know say.
So them say I kill Bitty.
I don't say them say. I tell you, me not.
Alright, listen something to you. You didn't know say. You were shocked. You didn't know say. Rifle. No worry British. You say police kill them.
No, the police kill them.
You think about man kill them?
No, I think. I tell you. I'm tell you who killed them. I'm boy named Lionel Thompson, that a muscle son.
So no police no behind it.
Police now have nothing to do with fall and want to kill him.
Okay, well, alright. Probably have it wrong. Okay, then.
I'm not probably have it wrong. The same gonna kill fall and want it. The same.
You want to see the case that we
okay, I see a muscle boy. The same boy will kill fall and want it. Him get Tammy's part of the gun. And I then see one called police because them expect the police them to charge him for the double murder.
Charge Tamale if you go try and catch it.
Yeah, because Tamale are labor rights.
Yeah,
Tamale a chang boy. Who Tamale?
He was a PNP in Company of Franca. You know Tamale good man. He was a PNP in change. So I'm also in come at town go live in change.
Well, them say my labor right, but him and the man pen a friend and anything. But them set him up. And them said, I can't remember them.
Tamale was a PNP, I think on PNP, I never tell my things I try going to camp, you know.
Oh, so my PNP.
My PNP. Tamale, and this youth here, when you fight the powers, prayer, and auto. It was from Sparta, from Flank, it was a PNP. They were a war, they split. Like we see, you see, that's a Miller. And black man split. I see everybody to them, they split. You know, 5 hours. You see, so why? I don't know if Jamaica will come back to you, trust me.
No, Jamaica will come back, man. So, look, the reason why I tell you that Jamaica will come back, all of this go to look for Rwanda. Rwanda, over 500,000 people were killed in Rwanda in 1994. And a lot of black people that killed black people, 500,000. And right now, Rwanda is one of the most peaceful countries in Africa. And when I try, and I want to
listen to this man and we say, I'm trying to be a party. I'm not telling you lie. They are repeated. I swear to God, they agree with the thing. I say, I never lie, I tell. They don't know better. Something we must say, I say, please, we are only going to beat you too. But people are repeated. I say, 2 parties in Jamaica, but people are no more can't.
It's just simple, alright, it's just simple as that. I'm tell a man that is any man else try anything, it's just a fool's errand.
You have to spend, I'm much billion is spending now,
you can't change the people. Them
much more in China than they could have, you know.
Alright, and you know what, not more than that. And him still become Prime Minister. Okay, and look on Antoinette Artin, more popular than anybody amongst the poor people. And she run for an ND and she don't even get removed a seat, you understand? So all of them things where people attack with the third party is a myth. It not gonna work because people them love the both party and them love the Ray and the Yeah and them love the True Wind and the
you know what they are banned, man. Connect them banned, something like them, man. You can't. I look here. Them put a rule for the table, say 15 years. It's what Jamaica tell them, man. 15 years. 50 years you are born. And I know the boy, they don't cry. They don't care.
Well, as a man said earlier and everything, they said them bring the farm.
You know, say today, they will lick down the Brinksman.
Yeah.
Girl, they don't know what the girl, them say she
Shabaka for life, yeah.
I'm just look at that. I'm gone.
Yeah, man, but them said the Klansman gang and them said two other person who involved in suspect to be named by a police force, yes? But it's an inside job still doing it. But the police can do them investigation, triangulate with the telecom company. You understand?
I'm telling this man, I believe man, but you know the police you can say that gun.
Yes man, you have to tell me that. You know see me do a video about it that a police did that on speed, should have a prison. But because but him dead now still.
You know what ask you? Only time they ship from me about you want the Bobby.
Bobby there see me man. Bobby I'm a friend for life.
No, in their bride?
Yeah man, Bobby that foreign man.
Oh, I'm thinking I'm not even go to the force, you know.
When go to Jamaica see me and everything.
Oh.
Yeah man.
Oh, yeah, I'm pleased, you know.
Yeah man, when time Bobby was
I used to run the road. I used to fly.
Yeah man, when time Bobby was killed, Bobby just feel like him drunk. Them time
Bobby don't come from town, you know.
No man, I can't know him come from man. Bobby I'm a friend man.
From Field come from?
Well, Summerfield.
Yeah, from Field, I say place. I don't know where they come from.
Yeah man, I only for them man, them thing there.
Channel star, why Jamaica really chill, bro? Everybody feel like Jamaica right now.
Yeah, I'm not afraid of that them thing there.
No, we're afraid of like the one who will live again, like.
Well, and there's so, and the thing, as me tell you now, and what contribute to that and everything is governments contribute to that. You have to understand still who start mash up Jamaica on the way to destruction, you know. And you know who put the nail in a coffin. Guess and tell me which prime minister put the nail in a coffin when they come out to Jamaica. That's what. Yes, man. Seal it. That's why we're at this junction right now.
Hold on. We seal it. Put the nail in a coffin.
Yes. Why?
You mean a good or bad?
That's about nothing good. Jamaica is in a good place now.
Oh, for me, good no today.
Yeah. But me I talk about right now. You ask why people don't want to go back. I mean, I ask you which prime. No, I'm a PGA. It's something. I'm a PGA. Bruce Golden, I'm a PGA. Put the nail in a coffin. PJ have the nail long time.
Okay.
PJ have the nail long time and Bruce Golden come with the hammer and knock it down. Yes man, the thing called
Bruce Golden make a speech there for that. We said no sir. And then they start cussing. I said, well at least I feel party. And when he said to one long guy before this thing happened, he said to one just say, if you be a leader, you know, you be a follower. When they say that, what that mean?
Well, if you must say that, he might say Prime Minister, I follow. I'm not the leader.
No, he say Andrew. Before the scandal come out, they attack.
Which scandal?
Before the SSL scandal come out, and they were about railway and the contract where we were saying give friend them and all things.
No. Look, let me tell you again and anything there. It's when you come to me and everything, and we deal with facts. When you deal with, hyperbole and everything, that hyperbole, propaganda and lies that. When you just say him give friend them contract, there is nothing in the international media or anything like that. No, not that prove there is nothing. But what Greg Christie said, there's a conflict of interest. Who you know in Jamaica were involved in politics and all kind of thing and know people. I just saw it was, so they must say him know the man for over 20 odd years, but they never say there's nothing to tie him, say boy, him have any influence why the man get the contract and them things.
So when him say, when Andrew say, when Desmond come out and say they don't have no money for the election, you believe that?
Oh, Desmond what him say?
You believe that?
And they must
say postpone again, why the money for it can't happen like that.
Well, look here, between me and you know, them should have just have one election instead of you have local and just have one election. And just
but local I run all over the years every time I year before playing ball it happen.
Yeah, but one time, remember saying that PJ they put it up. Remember saying PJ them a 8 year before they did have any in the 90s.
Yeah.
You know that 8 years.
8 years before they run a small election.
Yes, man. You understand? Look it up there. I mean, a police them time 8 year.
I think BNP do it already true still, but I treat them and call it out, you know.
So how much yeah. Why they must do them thing there? Why they must do that?
Last one election I'm 8 years one run.
Well, them do what the other one do all them thing there, so that there's no honor amongst thieves. You understand? You know. Why put that? Yeah, so that's a caller who had called us, to discuss various topics: corruption, the killing of Rifle and one British, and people that he suspected to be involved, although all the evidence is there that the gun that was recovered, that was in the possession of Tommy Lee Sparta, the Jamaican artist, that this gun had killed both men. And Jamaican people, some of them, especially when they cannot think and they're political in their thinking and they're being programmed like organic robot. Although the police, although the forensic lab, which is an independent body, had released the information that the gun involved in the killing of both men is the same gun that Tommy Lee Sparta was held with, and he went to prison and he spent less than 2 years. And the murder charge, they didn't arrest and charge him for both murders. There was not a question and answer, but only in Jamaica. But we're going to follow up with that till to hear from someone who lives in Britain and who is a well-learned person, and they're going to tell you, if it was Britain, what would happen there. So we'll continue the journey, and thanks for tuning into the Jamaican Young Police Channel. And another, before we leave, it was really rude for that person, that man who I was talking to. He knowed me. This man had known me. I don't know him, but he was very, very rude to just hang up the phone just like that. He's the one that called the program. He's the one that called the channel and wanted to express himself because of something that we had said. And, we were discussing the issues. And because things were getting not going the way that he had expected, he just hung up the phone on me. I have his number and everything, but I never, called him or anything like that. But that's how it is. But just remember, whenever you call the Jamaica Young Police Channel and we're having a conversation, just be mindful and respectful, and you don't just hang up the phone just like that because you're not hearing what you want to hear. Over here, we're not going to tell you any lies. Just like how we tell you that the person who's responsible where the crime is right now is Bruce Golden. Bruce Golden was a JLP LGBTQ plus Prime Minister. Yes, he brought all of the people them from the NDM with all of that kind of traits. So he's the one. When Edward Seaga was there, it was the JLP party. He's the one that turned it into JLP LGBTQ plus party, along with this Prime Minister. So we just call a spade a spade. That's how it is. We're not over here promoting any party, but we have two parties here that's evil. One is for 8 years for murderers, and one is for 45 years. We at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we don't care who is the guy or which party. We say 45 years to life. But if it was up to us at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, we say dirt every killer. Yes, dirt them. Yes, that's what we say. Thanks for watching the Jamaica Young Police Channel. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.